QuickBooks, how to delete a bill. Hey there, everyone. This is Matt Holquist with the QuickBooks University. I'm going to do something a little different in this video. I'm going to show you how to delete a bill in QuickBooks in both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. So we're going to start with Desktop. And if you use Online, stick around until minute, 2.5, and I will get into the QuickBooks Online and how to delete a bill there. Okay. So a couple warnings first. Once you delete a bill, if you have not made a backup like right before you deleted it, you cannot go back and undo it. You're going to have to enter that bill again. So make sure that you are positive that you need to delete a certain bill. And sometimes it's going to be, you have a duplicate, something like that. You got to get rid of them, get rid of one of them, and that's totally fine. Okay, so there's a couple ways that you can go and you can find the bill. One of the easiest things is going to go to the accounts payable report, accounts payable aging, and just double click on the bill that's in there, and it'll open up the bill. One other thing you can do as well, which sometimes I find maybe a little bit easier, depends on how many bills you have. If you go to vendors and you go to enter bills, and we're over here, and you can click this arrow right here, and it's going to take you to the different bills. Now, if it says paid in QuickBooks Desktop, do not delete that, because that means it has been paid, and that's going to cause some problems. All right, so let's say that, for example, it was Winnie Madrid, and we had office supplies, and we had duplicated this bill and done it twice. So what you can do, you can either go to the edit menu up here, go down to delete bill, and it'll delete it for you. Or something even simpler, go up here and you have a choice, delete or void. Now, deleting it will take it completely out of the system. Voiding it will leave Winnie Madrid and all this kind of stuff, but it'll zero this out so that if you had to go back to it for some reason and re-enter the information, it's still got the basic information in there. But we have decided we're going to delete this, so we're going to click delete. And let me pull this over here. It says, are you sure you want to delete it? You click OK, and it's gone. And if you have to go in and re-enter it, you're going to have to go back in and re-enter the whole bill. Okay, so now let's go over to QuickBooks Online, and we are going to delete a bill here. Now, to me, the easiest way is to go up to New and go to Pay Bills. Because if it's a bill that's in there, and it hasn't been paid, it's going to show up on this list. So what you can do, we go to PG&E, we click on that, it's going to take us straight to this bill. The way to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online is you want to go down here to More and Delete. Okay, so if we hit delete, it says, are you sure you want to delete this? So again, make absolutely sure. We're going to click yes. And the bill is gone. So if we go over to Pay Bills, just to show you, PG&E bill is totally gone out of the system. And if you need to enter it again, you're going to have to enter the whole bill over again. So those are the basics on in QuickBooks, both desktop and online, how to delete a bill. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to leave those below.